Hello and welcome back to my channel. So just like me, my life is also a mess and my room is also a mess, and along with that my head is also in a clutter mood. So we are going to do a Sunday reset vlog, and I will be just cleaning my room and doing some journaling things so that my mind becomes in a position where I can continue the week on a better routine. So yeah, let's start with our video and our cleaning routine, and then we will do some fun journaling, and let's start. So first I'm cleaning my dressing table because my all of the skincare products which me and my family uses are here, and I don't want to get the dirty hands on my face and then have other issues on my skin. So I'm just cleaning that, and I do it every Sunday and in between also, because I don't like to see the dust particles on the top surface, like it looks so weird and so dirty. So cleaning that. And first what I do, I just remove all the things from the shelves and then I clean it nicely properly, and then I again put back everything on that. So that's what basically the routine of cleaning the dressing table. And here my brother was irritating me in between, so I was just talking to him in between, and that's it. Next we are cleaning is my study table slash my desk, my workspace, because I spend my most of time here and I want this place to be very clean and neat, because I spend my most of day here and I want to be productive. Because when you see clutter around me, when I see clutter around me, it makes my mind very irritated. So I want everything to be in particular order and clean. Obviously when I do the work and everything, it gets messed up, but still I like to clean it properly every now and then, and I like to arrange the things. And now we will do some more cleaning, arrange it properly, and after that we are going to do journaling. So here I have lot of wires of the chargers of the laptop charger, the camera charger, and my both the phone charger. I also have here my power bank. So all the things spread out, it gives me very irritation, and it also makes my brain all the wires are mixed. So I like to roll them up properly and keep them in that box, and this box I particularly allocated to keep all the things here. So I'm just rolling them up properly and I'm keeping it. Over the time it gets again how it was, but I try to make them as clean as and neat as possible. So that's how I kept. After putting all the wires neatly, now I plugged in my Alexa and I will just play some songs because I was feeling bored. And now we have one more area to clean, which is the bedding area and the area near the window, because it also gets lot of dust from the outside. There is lot of dust coming, so it get messed up very quickly. So I'm just cleaning it properly. And I also have few jars there, my candle, two of my candles, and my plant. So I also want to plant something in it, but I don't know when I will get time. And finally all the cleaning is done, and now I kept all my journals with me and I will start journaling. So basically what I'm doing is I am doing brain dump. So whatever thoughts are there in my mind, I'm just writing everything in there, so that my mind gets free and I release all the things which were there in my mind. and have a clear mind to start the next week. So this helps a lot if you're also struggling with your thoughts and you are like having the same thoughts again and again, or your mind is cluttered. Try doing brain dumping or journaling. It really helps a lot. You can like write everything in a paper. Also, if there are some negative thoughts in your mind, you can like write it on a paper and burn that thoughts away, burn that paper away. So it is very a good technique. Try that and let me know in the comments how you feel. And in between I'm just like chatting on my phone, doing some random stuff, and like again remembering the things which I want to write, like remembering and thinking of all the things, and then again writing everything in the journal. And I really love this time for myself, like the Sunday reset routine, where like my mind is also reset on what all things I want to do. And yeah, that's a very good technique, and you should also definitely try doing journaling. So now after journaling and after few time, I got ready, and now we are going for like grocery shopping and also for some snacks, because I was really craving for some snacks. So I decided, so I will go and have some fries and my favorite chicken cheeseburger, so that I can just fulfill my internal and mind cravings. And I'm also having like fun convo with my friends, so like talking and like letting go all of the things which you have, like it really makes your mind at ease. So yeah, I'm just having a convo with my friend, and after that like the weather was so good, so I like filmed the sky. And you know it's June and the rainy season is here, and the sky is so beautiful, like the clouds and everything, it's so perfect, the weather is very nice. And after like doing some grocery shopping, like I went to the mart and did some shopping, and I'm coming back home and we are going to do a grocery haul. So here are the things which I brought: some chickpeas, a croissant, some paneer to like make my recipes, and also bought some like masala for making fried chicken, and some Lays, like sometimes I crave some salty crunchy food, so Lays for that, and a yogurt. So that's all I got. Also I got some fresh fruits, like I got some jamun. I love them, they are in season, so you should also eat that, and some mangoes to make like my mango smoothie in the morning. Now I am arranging all the groceries in the fridge in particular order, like arranging everything so that I get to know where I kept all the things which I bought, and I just don't find it here and there. So yeah, I am keeping it. I am keeping the fruits and everything. I am trying to like reduce the plastic waste, but still here we get plastic only, so we don't have any option. Also my mother bought some like big mangoes. I don't know what she want to mix, but yeah, I'm not touching that. And I bought like separate mangoes, and then I am keeping paneer at the given place where we already store. And yeah, that's it. Also I bought some like burger for my family because they wanted to eat, so I just got it for them. And that was it for my Sunday reset vlog. I hope you like it, found it useful, and if you like the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel.